How to get Yahoo stock price data with Python and an API. Hello, in this video you'll see the Python code to get the stock price data for Apple and parse the response for the share price. You'll need to use a .env file and Python requests library. Next, register with RapidAPI and then choose the free basic plan. There are some limitations, but you don't have to add credit card details. You can register without any of that nonsense. I'll let you watch the rest of the video, but please comment and thumbs up if you like it, cause Algos.